this graphic right here is actually, you can see the town of Elizabeth and the town of Kiowa. Everything that's shaded in pink, that's not white, but shaded in pink, is within 1,320 feet of the property line. So the only areas, the only landowners that would be allowed to go ahead and go through this MOU process are the ones that have white ground on this graphic. And I can tell you that the left side of this graphic, where that north arrow is, that's the county line over by Franktown. And it's 11 miles from there to Kiowa. So if we take the first 5 miles running south from Highway 86, all the way from the county line to Kiowa, there's exactly one piece of property. And there's got to be hundreds of people that own land in that 55 square miles. There's 160-acre piece of property in that 55 square miles, just representative. But it's like this everywhere else in the county. And I believe that when you do the research, you'll find out that Mr. Malone's center pivot is in the middle of that 160 acres. So the point being that you're hoping to get a process that a lot of the people can go ahead and take advantage of, facilitate everything, move it through very quickly. And I'm here to tell you that 90+% of the landowners in Elba County won't qualify. So everybody else is going to be going to the special use permit. It's a great idea to facilitate, but what you got here, you're going to do that. I think that 1,320-foot setback is a real problem for you. Another problem with the 1,320-foot setback is this document has no rationale for it. There may be a good rationale, but it's not in this document. And if you haven't got a rationale for it, that's by definition arbitrary and capricious. Can't do that. You also can't take a look at the state of your analysis on what that 1,320-foot setback is going to do. You can't tell any member of this audience how they are or are not affected. The county hasn't done the research. This is all my research. Okay? I think it deserves some assessment as to what the real impact of that 1,320 foot is. My suggestion in the fix is to strike 1,320 feet. Go with the law. Why get fancy?
And I think that 1,320 feet is small. I'd rather go 2,000 feet.